Welcome back to 99 Reviews, and today I am going to reveal some latest leaks about Samsung S24 Fan Edition. We've been hearing rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE for a while now, and new, unofficial renders of the smartphone may have given us our best look yet at the successor to the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. These renders come from well-known product leaker, OnLeaks and Giznext, and we get to see the device from just about every angle. There's also a 360-degree video showing off the front and back design of the handset. If you were hoping for major aesthetic changes, then you're likely to be disappointed. Based on these renders, the Galaxy S24 FE is going to look a lot like the Galaxy S23 FE and indeed the Samsung Galaxy S24 that was launched back in January. This new handset, with the FE or Fan Edition designation, should be substantially cheaper than the Galaxy S24 flagships. The Galaxy S23 FE, which made its debut in October 2023, originally went on sale for $599. Together with the leaked images, we've got some specs to talk about here as well. The Galaxy S24 FE will apparently come with a 6.65-inch display, so slightly larger than the 6.4-inch one on the Galaxy S23 FE. Around the back, there's expected to be a triple-lens camera module led by a 50-megapixel primary camera, as was the case with the 2023 model. The phone may be available with up to 12 GB of RAM, whereas this topped out at 8 GB last time around. The Galaxy S24 FE is said to be coming with either an Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, depending on the region, and the storage options will be either 128 GB or 256 GB. No change here from the previous model. Earlier reports suggested we might have to wait until at least October for the phone, but it now seems the phone could show up sooner than that. When it does make an appearance, expect it to look similar to these unofficial renders. So that's it for the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition so far. For more updates, like my video and subscribe to YouTube channel.